Thank you, Gundaga. I must emphasize this too. In the cooperation network of European culture capitals, we always say that it is important to tell an honest story, to tell others about the successes, but also of things which we would like to achieve or simply experience. And many things depend on how open we are to these processes as citizens and if we want to experience something new in our lives. This is the story of the Live Riga, of how we want to tell the story. And therefore, this roadmap as part of the program is very important to us. We saw a question in the audience, but let us try to ask and address it quickly. I will speak very quickly. I assume that I'm not the only person in the audience who hoped that Gundaga will follow the Turku example, and we will get guides who will give us just as exciting sightseeing tours around the neighborhoods. I believe that many of the people sitting in the audience represent various neighborhoods of Riga and could become guides. I would like to give the floor to the students and citizens of Riga because they are the heroes of our next story. It's one of our pilot projects, which is called the Neighborhood Community Work Days. And this is an example of what neighbors can do, of how they see problems and address them, and they are helped by students. And I would like to invite people from Maskava Street courtyard. It will be Baiba, and these ladies are students. We are students who represented the Maskava Street courtyard during the community work day. We elaborated a project for one courtyard. This is our working group. And when we inspected the courtyard, we saw that it is extensive, but it lacks a uniform concept. And the first stage of the project was a competition of projects. We broke into smaller groups, and each group elaborated a plan for changing this courtyard. After some time, there was a contest of projects, and the groups presented their projects, and then after the competition, we detailed the idea and elaborated the technical solutions. During the work, we as students found it exciting to watch how our ideas are implemented from beginning till end. We were supported by mentors with their experience and advice. Here you can see the plan, how we changed this courtyard. We wanted to make this courtyard sunny and bright, and therefore the central element is a sandbox around which the other elements are placed. Good evening. I will tell you briefly about what we did on during this community work day and what we achieved. From the very beginning, we tried to make a courtyard which would be friendly to all age groups. First of all, we thought about the youngest residents of the courtyard, young children. So we installed various playgrounds, a sandbox, some beams for climbing. We also thought about the senior citizens. We renewed the benches and installed some new ones. We supplied the garbage bins, which were brightly colored according to our concept of the sun and a sunny place. Then we also installed some artistic and design objects. Here you can see a composition of decorative frames, perforated
Daudzfunkcionālu terasi.
tin elements, multifunctional terrace, a fence which blocks the courtyard from the surrounding environment. We also planted various greenery and flower beds. And on this community work day, the residents worked together with the students and they transformed the courtyard. All age groups were involved, including the children and the senior citizens. And together, working as a team, we supplemented each other, and we supplemented the existent idea, the original ideas. Here you can see what the courtyard looked before and the atmosphere after this courtyard contest. Thank you.
Labdien, es esmu Baiba Giftere.
Good evening, I'm Baiba Giftere and I represent the Association for the Development of Latgale district. I have a pleasure to take part in this forum about the neighborhood culture because the entire European culture is formed from the neighborhood culture and the culture of every single courtyard. And I will speak about one little step towards the European Culture Capital in 2014. I have taken part in the European projects about neighborhood and cooperation since 2008, and I have accumulated reasonable experience. Our purpose is the Moscow Vorstadt, but not the one which is rather prestigious near the central bus station. We work with one of the most difficult neighborhoods, which is at the same time one of the most interesting neighborhoods in Riga, with its wooden architecture and multicultural residents. As to the culture in our neighborhood, from my experience, I have learned that the future of Europe depends on the environment where our children grow up, and everyone should start with their own courtyard. With the help of European EU projects, I have organized neighborhood festivals and other events, and therefore I was pleased to hear that there is a competition announced about the community work days in order to improve the situation in the courtyards. Courtyard work days are a very good idea because it consolidates the neighbors. New friendships are made. The young people learn about the meaning of a well-kept, beautiful environment. As to our courtyard, during the workday, we started work at 8:30 in the morning and ended at 11:15 in the evening. And we really worked hard all this time. People came and went, but the work never ceased. The oldest participant was 85 years old, but the youngest actual participant was 1.5 years old. Each of them contributed what they could, and they were there, and this was the most important thing. There was a group of juvenile delinquents who was working with us. If before they were the ones who vandalized things, then after the workday, they were among those who most actively helped to maintain order in the courtyard. We also had visitors, guests from various neighborhoods in Riga and from outside Riga. And the most distant guests who have visited our courtyard were from Tallinn City Council. It was a delegation representing the council. 15 people visited our courtyard, and we were really pleased to receive them. Then it turned out that the neighboring courtyard has won in the competition, and leaders from other courtyards in the neighborhood have turned to me and asked for help to apply to next year's competition. So we hope that in next year's competition, one of the winners will be a courtyard from our Moscow Vorstadt. We also hope to have more active cooperation with the municipality of the district, which has not been very helpful so far. preparing for 2014, we hope that we will turn this most degraded neighborhood into the most beautiful one, and it will be made by the hands of the residents themselves, where people can come and enjoy themselves, and young people can practice sports. Thank you.
If somebody wants to find out how to gather several hundreds of residents in their courtyard, then after this forum you can ask Barbara, she's going to tell you how.